How to edit new trending video for Instagram Reels. As you can see, this video template has been trending in Instagram for days. There are already 300,000 videos under it. And if you want to learn how to make one of these, you just have to follow the steps that I'll be showing you today. First, you have to head to Google Chrome and in the search bar look for Rara 2023 template. Now just head to the first website, and this is the template that we want to use, so go ahead and click on Use Template in Capcut. Make sure that the Capcut application has already been installed to your device. After that is done, go ahead and click on Use Template at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you just have to select the clips from your gallery. After that is done, go ahead and click on Preview. You have to now go to Text. Supposedly, I want to change this 2022 text, so all I have to do is double tap on it and then change it to what I want. Now that is done, you just have to click on Export. Now that the video has been exported, you have to go to Capcut. You have to then select the video that you just exported, then go ahead and click on Add Audio. You can now choose the audio from your own device, or if you want to use it from TikTok, then you have to go to Sounds. Then click on Sign in with TikTok and pick the audio that you want to add. I'll be using an extracted audio, so for that I have to head to the folder icon and then click on the extracted audio. I have to now export this video with the audio, so go ahead and do that. Now you just have to go to Instagram and click on the plus icon. Select the option of Reels from below, then pick the video that was recently exported. Now go ahead and click on Add and post it to your Instagram profile. So there you have it. That is how you edit this new trending video. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.